This is how you change or clean your lens on your J-Series laser from RM Laser. First, you want to make sure you have enough room between the nozzle and the bed assembly. We recommend about 6 inches. Once you have sufficient clearance, you're going to loosen the red knob that tightens the collar for the nozzle, and you're going to disconnect your quick connect airline assembly. That's that, and slide right out. You'll then want to remove the red nozzle assembly by turning counterclockwise. And then you have access to your lens assembly. Now you can either do this on the machine or you can disconnect your 2 electrical connectors. Today we're going to do it on the machine. Now all you're going to do is put some rubbing alcohol in the cap and use a Q-tip and lightly scrub the lens assembly. And then use the opposite end to dry it off. You can do this on the opposite end as well. Now, if the lens is extremely dirty, you're going to want to grab your lens removal tool to undo the collar as so. And you turn counterclockwise. Now before we go any further, I'm going to grab latex gloves, as you should never handle a lens with bare hands. You don't want to get your finger oils on it. Now that we've already loosened the collar, you can simply just spin it out by hand. And the lens will fall right out into my hands. The important thing when removing and reinstalling the lens is one side has a convex, and you always want to make sure the convex is pointing upwards. Reinstall the lens, reinstall the collar, and we'll use our lens and mirror removal tool to reinstall. And just lightly snug up, as you don't want to damage the lens. When that is done, we can reinstall the nozzle. Install the tube into the collar assembly, reconnect your airline, and tighten up your red knurled nut. The distance between here and the collar assembly should be between 1 inch and no clearance at all.